Welcome to our facility. Today, I'll show you exactly how US dollar bills are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The specialized green and color-shifting pigments you see here are engineered for maximum longevity and security, making them nearly impossible to replicate.
I touch up and secure.
The color density is fluctuating slightly.
Yes, but the security ratios are holding steady. We are within tolerance.
Every sheet is precisely processed to prevent counterfeiting.
Every dollar is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how US dollar bills are made. Made from start to finish.